The protocol and operation of urgent calls is different to that of a normal call. An urgent call automatically has priority over a normal call, but will be queued awaiting the signaler's acceptance. If you receive an urgent call, this distinctive ringtone alarm will sound. The caller's ID and location ID will appear in the list on the left of the screen. When an urgent call is received, the ACB will appear as a flashing yellow box with a red border. If an urgent call is being received from a train, then the head code will appear in the ACB along with the location ID. This black train icon appears if the train is registered in your area. If the train is unregistered, the head code will not appear and will be supplemented with the unit number, and the unregistered icon will appear. Answer the call by lifting the handset or by pressing the ACB and then the PTT button on the audio module to use the gooseneck microphone. Remember not to press the ACB after you have lifted the handset, as this will terminate the call. When the call is completed, you can end it by replacing the handset or by pressing the ACB. Let's look at the various ways to make an urgent call. You can make an urgent call by pressing the dial function button at the base of the incoming screen. This screen will appear. When the head code option is highlighted in blue, you can enter the head code using the head code friendly keypad. The functional identity of the train will appear. To change the priority of the call, press the Urgent Priority button, which will highlight in blue with a red border. If you decide not to go ahead with the call, you can press the X button to terminate the process. To initiate the call, press the Receiver button. The ACB will appear as a yellow box with a flashing red border. This black train icon will appear if you are connecting to a registered train. The head code of the train from where the call is being made will also appear. When the call is completed, either press the ACB or replace the handset. You can also make an urgent call using a unit number by pressing the unit number button on the dial function screen. When using a unit number, you will have the option to select either cab A or cab B. Press the Urgent Priority button followed by the Receiver button to initiate the call. The unit number will appear on the ACB. If a white train icon is displayed, then you are contacting an unregistered train. End the call in the normal way by hanging up the handset or by pressing the ACB. Urgent calls can be made to other fixed terminal users associated with your role by using the FT's Direct Access or Speed Dial tab. When you press this button, a series of speed dials are displayed. The buttons with red backgrounds are for urgent calls only. When you press one of these buttons, the call will be made automatically. The ACB will display as a yellow box with a flashing red border. This icon indicates that the call is to another fixed terminal. The name of the fixed terminal role is displayed. End the call in the usual way. Remember to use the correct voice protocols when making urgent calls.
This is a signaller at Gatestown West. Would a driver of 1 Papa 17 please state your message? This is an urgent call from the signaller at Gatetown West to the driver of 1 Papa 17. Stop your train immediately. Please confirm that you are stopping.